Today we are going to discuss about the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, what are the main use of JetBus building algorithm means that for small networks, okay, we can use the KVL or the KCL. Okay, when we are having the n number of nodes, that means suppose we are having the 100 number of nodes, in that case, okay, we are using the incidence matrix. Okay, but in the case of incidence matrix, we are having the some of the drawbacks are there. Okay, that drawbacks will be overcome by using the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, what are the drawbacks means in that instance matrix? Okay, multiplication of that matrix and inverse matrix is somewhat difficult. Okay, that's why we for n number of nodes are there in the network. Okay, in that case we are using the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, what is the use of JetBus building algorithm means? Right, it is a step-by-step addition of the elements or the links, and then we can easily form the JetBus matrix. Okay, by using this JetBus matrix, we can derive the voltage and current values for that network. Okay, this is the main advantage when we are using the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, it is a step-by-step procedure for the formation of the JetBus for addition of the branches and the addition of the links. Okay, the JetBus algorithm is used when the n number of nodes are there. Okay, in the case of incidence matrix, the inverse matrix and the multiplications for n number of nodes are there. It is somewhat difficult. Okay, for that reason, we are using the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, for that reason, we are using the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, it is the step-by-step program technique. Okay, the JetBus building algorithm is the step-by-step programming technique. It proceeds the branch by branch. Okay, it proceeds the branch by branch. That means addition of one branch to the another branch or branch to the link. Okay, the advantages as completely rebuilding not required. Okay, there is no rebuilding of that matrix. Okay, therefore JetBus old is equal to the JetBus new. Okay, that means ZB branch impedance. That is ZB branch impedance. Okay, the JetBus building algorithm is the step-by-step procedure for addition of one branch to the branch or addition of one branch to the link. Okay, we are having the four modulations are there for the JetBus build formation of that JetBus building algorithm, or we are having the four types of modes are there for the forming the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, before going to the types of the JetBus building algorithm, okay, first of all we know the some notations and the addition of the link and the branch. Okay, the notations are the where I and J are the old buses. Okay, I and J are the old buses. Okay, we are considering the elements I and J are the old buses. Okay, I and J are the old buses and R is the reference bus and R is the reference bus. Okay, and K is the new bus and K is the new bus. Okay, I and J are the old buses and R is the reference bus and K is the new bus. Okay, the addition of branch means for connecting a new bus to an already existing old bus. Okay, what is the branch? Branch means that when we are connecting a element in between new bus to old bus, when we are connecting the element between new bus to old bus, okay, it is called as the branch. Next, addition of link. Okay, addition of link means that for connecting two buses which is already existing in partial network. That means when we are connecting the old bus to old bus, okay, then it will be considered as the link. Okay, these are the sum of the notations for formation of the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, first one is I and J are the old buses and R is the reference bus and K is the new bus. Okay, next, what is meant by the branch means that the element is connected between new bus to old bus. Next of all, what is meant by the link means that for connecting two buses. That means the two old buses. Okay, it is called as the link. Okay, it is called as the link. Okay, these are the some of the notations. Okay, by using this notation, we can form the JBus building algorithm. Okay, we form the JBus building algorithm. Okay, we are having the four types of modifications are there for formation of that JBus matrix. Okay, that is type 1 modification. Okay, first we are considering the type 1 modification. Okay, type 1 modification means that in that we are adding the element between from new bus to the reference bus. Okay, we are adding the element between from new bus to reference bus. Okay, new bus means it will be indicated by the K and reference is the R. Okay, therefore, in type 1 modification, the element is added in between K to R. That means new bus to reference bus. Okay, in the type 1 modification, okay, the element is added in between new bus to reference bus. That is K to R. Okay, when we are observing this partial network, okay, when we are observing the partial network, okay, this is the passive linear n bus network. Okay, in that we are having the number of nodes. Okay, we are taking the element that will be added in between the reference node to the, okay, in between the reference node to the new bus. Okay, reference node. Okay, what is the reference node? That is R. Okay, the element is added in between the reference node, that is the R. Okay, reference node to new bus. Okay, that is the K. Okay, and I, J are the old buses, and 1, 2, and 1 n is the number of nodes. Okay, the element 1 is added in between the new bus to reference bus. Therefore, K is the new bus and R is the reference node. K is the new bus and R is the reference node. Okay, this is the type 1 modification diagram. Okay, what is meant by the type 1? Type 1 means the element is added between the new bus to reference. New bus is the K and reference is the R. Okay, therefore the element is added in between new bus to the reference. Okay, then it is called as the type 1 modification. Okay, therefore the branch impedance ZB is added. Okay, ZB is added to the new bus K and the reference R. Okay, the branch, okay, ZB is the branch. Okay, that branch is added in between the new bus to the reference bus. New bus means the K and reference bus is the R. Okay, understand man? New bus is the K and reference is the R. Okay, therefore we can write the equations for that voltage. Okay, VK is equal to the voltage across the new bus is equal to ZB. ZB is the branch that will be added in between the K to 1. Okay, in the type 1 modification, the ZB is added in between the K to reference node. K is the new node and R is the reference. Okay, therefore the voltage across this element or this branch is the VK is equal to ZB into IK. VK is equal to the ZB into IK, where ZB is the branch and IK is the current. Okay, therefore ZKI is equal to ZIK is equal to 0. Okay, therefore ZKI is equal to ZIK equal to 0, where I is equal to 1, 2, and 1 n. Okay, where I is equal to 1, 2, and 1 N. Therefore, ZKK is equal to ZB. Okay, therefore, ZKK equal to the ZB. Okay, and then we write the Z bus new matrix. Okay, this is the Z bus new matrix. Okay, that is Z bus old. Okay, that is Z bus old and 0, 0 and ZB. Okay, ZB is the adding branch in between the new bus to the reference bus. Okay, ZB is the adding branch in between the new bus to the reference bus. Okay, this is the type 1 modification. Okay, therefore Z bus new equal to Z bus old 0, 0 and ZB. Okay, Z bus old 0, 0 and ZB. Okay, ZB is the branch that is added between the reference node to the new bus. Okay, between the reference node to the new bus. Okay, this is the type 1 modification. Okay, next coming to the type 2 modification. Okay, this is the type 2 modification. Okay, therefore, the type 2 modification means the addition of element from a new bus to old bus. Okay, new bus is the J and old bus is the K. So new bus is the K and old bus is the J. Okay, therefore, we are adding the element between the K to J. Okay, therefore, we are adding the element between the K to J. Okay, this is the addition of element from the new bus to the old bus. Okay, this is the addition of element from the new bus to the old bus. Okay, therefore, ZB is added from a new bus K to the old bus J. Okay, therefore ZB is added from the new bus K to the old bus J. J is the old bus and K is the new bus. Okay, in that case, that ZB is added in between the J to K. That is the old bus to new bus. Old bus to new bus. Therefore, we can write the Z bus matrix. That is Z bus new is equal to the Z bus old and Z1J, Z2J and so on ZNJ. Okay, where J is the old bus. Okay, where J is the old bus and K is the new bus. Okay, Z1J, Z2J and so on ZNJ and ZJI, ZJ2 and so on ZJN. Okay, and then ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, this is the ZJJ plus ZB, where J is the old bus and ZB is the branch that will be added between the new bus to the old bus. Okay, J is the old bus and K is the new bus. Okay, the ZB branch is added between the old bus to new bus. Okay, between the old bus to new bus. Okay, this is the type 2 modification. Okay, this is the Z bus old and Z1J, Z2J and so on ZNJ and ZJI, ZJ2, so ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJN plus ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, ZB is the branch that will be added in between the old bus to new bus. Old bus to new bus. Okay, next we calculate the VK value. VK is equal to the ZBIK plus VJ. Okay, ZBDIK plus VJ. Okay, that is equal to ZBIK plus VJ is ZJ1I1 plus ZJ1I1 plus ZJ2I2 and so on ZJJIJ plus IK and so on ZJNIN. Okay, therefore, we can write that VK is equal to ZJ1I1 plus ZJ2I2 plus and so on ZJJIJ plus and so on ZJNIN plus ZJJ plus ZBIK. Okay, this is the Z bus matrix and then we write down the voltage equations for that addition of branch in between the old bus to the new bus. Okay, how we can write that? These equations means we can multiply with voltage V is equal to the Z into I. Okay, V is equal to Z into I. Then we can write down the VK equation by using this Z bus matrix. Okay, this is the Z bus formation when we are adding the branch in between the new bus to the old bus. Okay, this is the type 2 modification. Okay, this is the type 2 modification. Okay, next coming to the type 3 modification. Okay, type 3 modification means that the element is added between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, in this case, the element is added between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, what is the old bus? J is the old bus and R is the reference bus. Okay, J is the old bus and R is the reference bus. Therefore, ZB connects an old bus J to reference bus R. Then Vk is equal to 0 and then V1, V2 and so on Vn and Vk is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 equal to Z bus volt, Z1j, Z2j and so on Znj. Okay, this is ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJn. Okay, this is ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, we are adding the branch in between the old bus to reference bus and J is the new bus. Sorry, J is the old bus. Okay, J is the old bus and R is the reference bus. Okay, and into I1, I2 and so on In into Ik. Okay, by using this equation, we can write down the formula for that Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus 1 by ZJJ plus ZB, ZJJ plus ZB into Z1J and so on Znj into ZJ1 and so on ZJN. Okay, and so on ZJ1. This is the formula for finding the element between the old bus to reference. Okay, between the old bus to reference. Okay, this is the type 3 modification. Okay, this is the type 3 modification. Okay, the type 3 modification is the element is added between the old bus to the reference bus. Okay, this is the formula for finding the Z bus new matrix. That is Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus 1 by ZJJ plus ZBK, ZB into Z1J, Z2J and so on Znj into ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJN. Okay, this is the formula for that finding the type 3 modification. That is the element is added between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, next coming to the type 4 modification. Okay, type 4 modification means the addition of element between the two old buses. Okay, addition of element between two old buses means that it is a link. Okay, addition of element between the two old buses means that it is a link. Okay, understand ma? It is a link. Link means that we are adding the element between the two old buses. Okay, what is the old bus? I and J are the old buses. Okay, I and J are the old buses. Okay, therefore the element is added, that is ZB is added in between the I and the J. Okay, in between the I and the J. Okay, then write down the equations for that Z bus new matrix. Okay, this is the type 4 modification diagram. Okay, in that type 4 modification, the ZB is added in between the two old buses. That is old bus I and old bus J. Okay, that is old bus I and old bus J. Okay, therefore VI is equal to ZI1 I1 plus ZI2 I2 plus ZI1 into II plus IK plus ZJ1, ZJI, I1, IJ minus IK plus and so on, ZIN into IK. Okay, this is the equation for that voltage and VK is equal to 0. That is Z bus, ZI1 minus ZJ1 and so on, ZIN minus ZJN. Okay, similarly, we can write Z1J minus Z1I. Okay, similarly we can write this all. This is same, row and column is same. Okay, therefore this is the ZB plus ZII plus ZJJ minus 2ZIJ to ZIJ. Okay, into current. Okay, by using this matrix we can write down the Z bus new. Okay, by using this matrix, okay, we can write down the Z bus new. Therefore, Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus, okay, Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus 1 by ZB plus ZII plus ZJJ minus 2ZIJ. Okay, into Z1J, Z1I minus Z1J and swan ZNI minus ZNJ minus ZNJ. Okay, into ZI1 minus ZJ1 and swan ZIN minus ZJN minus ZJN. Okay, this is the formula for the Z-bus new matrix when we are adding the branch, when we are adding the link between the two old buses. Okay, how it is called as the link means the element is added in between the two old buses. Okay, then it will be considered as the link. Okay. These are the formulas for the different types of modifications for the formation of a Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, we remember these formulas. Okay, that will be useful for solving the problem that will be related to the Z-bus building algorithm formation. Okay, by using these 4 modifications, okay, we can solve the problem that will be related to the Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, that will be related to the Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, these are the 4 types of modifications, okay, for formation of that Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, what is the first type of modification? That is addition of element between the new bus to reference bus. Okay, we are adding the element between the new to reference. Okay, then it is called as the branch. Okay, then it is called as the branch. Okay, therefore the branch is added in between the new bus to the reference bus, where new bus is the K and reference is the R. Okay, therefore ZB is added in between the K to R. Therefore branch impedance ZB is added to the new bus K and the reference bus R. Therefore VK equal to ZB into IK. Okay, and swan, we are calculating the Z-bus new matrix, that is Z-bus volt 0, 0, ZB. Okay, this is the type 1 modification. Next, coming to the type 2 modification, that is the addition of element from a new bus to old bus. Okay, this is the new bus, K is the new bus and J is the old bus. Therefore, the element is added in between new bus to old bus. Okay, new bus to old bus means that it is a branch. Okay, that will be added in between the new to old bus. Okay, then we can write down the Z-bus new matrix, that is Z-bus old, Z1J, Z2J and swan ZNJ, ZJ1, ZJ2 and swan ZJN. This is ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, similarly type 3 modification. Okay, type 3 modification means the addition of element between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, addition of element between old bus to reference bus. Old bus is the J and reference is the R. Okay, old bus is the J and reference is the R. Okay, then we can form the Z-bus matrix, that is V1, V2 and swan Vn. Vk is equal to 0, that is equal to Z-bus volt, Z1J, Z2J and swan ZNJ. Okay, and then same as that of ZJ1, ZJ2, ZJN, ZJJ plus ZP. Okay, into I1, I2 and swan IN, IK. Okay, by using this matrix, we can write down the Z-bus new equal to Z-bus old minus 1 by ZJJ plus ZP. ZJJ plus ZP into Z1J, Z2J and swan ZNJ into ZJ1, ZJ2 and swan ZJN and swan ZJN. Okay, this is the type 3 modification. Okay, next coming to the type 4 modification. Okay, type 4 modification means that the branch is added in between the two old buses. Okay, the branch is added in between the two old buses, that is I and the J. Okay, the I and the J are the two old buses. Okay, I and J are the two old buses. Therefore, we can write down the Z-bus new matrix, that is Z-bus new is equal to the Z-bus old minus 1 by ZBV plus ZII plus ZJJ minus 2ZI into this. Okay, Z1I minus Z1J and swan ZNI minus ZNJ into Zi1 minus Zj1 and so on Zin minus Zjn. In minus Zjn. Okay, this is the type for modification. Okay, by using this type, four types of modifications, we easily form the Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, when we are forming the Z-bus building algorithm by step procedure, we observe which type is there and how which type of formula will be used for the formation of that Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, and we are using that type of formula. Okay, this is the step-by-step procedure. Okay, the Z-bus building algorithm is the step-by-step procedure and easily computizer procedure. The modification employed to revise the Z-bus in case of change in the network. Okay, if the network is changed, therefore some modifications is employed. Okay, next, opening of the lines Zij is equal to the adding a branch in parallel to it with impedance. Okay, this is the various steps that will be calculated for the formation of the Z-bus building algorithm. When we are considering or designing the Z-bus building algorithm, we are following these four types of modifications. Okay, that will be followed. Okay, that will be observed. Okay, the branch or the link will be added in between the old bus to new bus or new bus to old bus or between the two old buses. Okay, that will be observed. Okay, and then write down this is the type 1 modification or type 2 modification and type 3 or type 4 modifications. Okay, and then we can substitute the formulas for that types of that modifications. Okay, and then we can derive the Z-bus matrix for the step-by-step procedures. Okay. Okay, this will be understand when we are solving the problem that will be related to the Z-bus building algorithm. Okay, understand, ma? Okay, these four types of modifications will clearly understand by solving the Z-bus building algorithms. Okay, that the problem that will be related to the Z-bus building algorithm that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, before going to solving the problem, okay, we remember the formulas for all the types of modifications. Okay, what is the type 1 modification means? Okay, we remember this formula, that is Z-bus new equal to Z-bus old 0 0 ZB. Okay, how you can write down that type 1 modification Z-bus matrix means the, okay, how we can write down means the, therefore Z-bus new is equal to, okay, therefore Z-bus new is equal to, okay, therefore Z-bus new is equal to Z-bus old Z-bus old 0 0 and ZB. Okay, where ZB is the branch that will be added in between the new bus to reference. Okay, this is the formation of that matrix. Okay, therefore this total matrix is called as the Z-bus new matrix for type 1 modifications. Okay, when we are calculating the type 2 modification, okay, the Z-bus old matrix means that this matrix. Okay, when we are calculating the type 2 modification, okay, the Z-bus old, okay, this is the Z-bus old. Okay, this will be replaced with this matrix. Okay, what is that matrix? That is replaced with this matrix, that is Z-bus old, Z-bus old 0 0 and ZBR and ZBR. Okay, this is the old matrix. When we are calculating the type 2 modification, okay, this is the old bus matrix. Okay, this is the old bus matrix. Okay, and then we calculate the Zij, Z1j, Z2j, and so on, Znj. Similarly, ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJN. Okay, and then we calculate ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, where J is the old bus, where J is the old bus and K is the new bus and R is the reference. Okay, where J is the old bus and ZB is the added element. Okay, the value for that added element. Okay, next, when we are calculating the type 3 modification, okay, when we are calculating the type 3 modification, the Z bus old means this total Z bus new matrix for the type 2 modification. Okay, the Z bus new matrix for the type 2 modification is the Z bus old matrix for type 3 modification. Okay, understand ma? ఏదైతే మనం type 2 matrix లో derive చేసామో Z bus new matrix అనేది, okay, ఇందులో type 3 వచ్చేసరికి that is the Z bus old matrix. Okay, and then we adding the row and the column for this matrix, that is Z1j, Z2j and so on Znj, ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJN, ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, this is the addition of row and the column for this previous Z bus matrix. Okay, this is the previous Z bus matrix for type 2 modification. Okay, this is the old Z bus for type 3 modification. Okay, type 2 modification లో Z bus matrix ఏదైతే సాల్వ్ చేసామో అది type 3 లో వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఓల్డ్ బస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆ ఓల్డ్ బస్ కి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఒక బ్రాంచ్ అనేది యాడ్ చేసాము. బ్రాంచ్ యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ Z bus matrix లో మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, రో కాలం అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఒక రో ఒక కాలం అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది. అది ఎలా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము అంటే Z1j, Z2j, Znj. Similarly, ZJ1, ZJ2 and so on ZJN. Okay, like that ZJJ plus ZB. Okay, this is the formation of the row and the column in the new matrix, Z bus matrix. Okay, this is the type 3 modification. Okay, this total is the Z bus old matrix for type 4 modification. Okay, in this Z bus old matrix, okay, ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ Z bus old ఉందో అది type 3 లో మనకి ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో దాన్ని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ we are adding the link between the link for row and the column. Okay, link means we are considering as the Z1i minus Z1j and so onZni minus Znj. Okay, Zi1 minus Zj1 and so on Zin minus Zjn. Okay, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ZB plus Zii plus Zjj minus 2Zij. Okay, this is the addition of link in between the two old buses. Okay, when we are adding the link between the two old buses, then we are adding the column and the row like this by using these formulas. Okay, that is Z bus new is equal to Z bus old minus 1 by ZB, Zii plus Zjj minus 2Zi into Z1i minus Z1j, Zni, Znj. Similarly, we can multiply this row and the column. Okay, this will be understand when we are solving the problem that will be related to the Z bus building algorithm. Okay, ఈ type 4 modifications మనకి ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే, ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ప్రాబ్లం అనేది ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం తీసుకొని డిరైవ్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు ఈ టైప్ 4 modifications అనేవి మనకి ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఓకే, మనం ఆ ప్రాబ్లం ని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అనేది మనకి కావాలమ్మా. Okay, for the formation or the addition of the row and the columns for that matrix. Okay, that's why we are explaining this type 4 modifications. Okay, type 4 modifications, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 modifications లో ఏదైతే Z bus new ని ఫామ్ చేయడానికి ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయో వాటిని యూస్ చేసుకొని ఒక రో కాలమ్ అనేది మనం ఆ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కి యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, మామూలుగా ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్ లో ఓన్లీ we are adding the one element. Okay, we are adding the only one element. Okay, how we will add that element means that, okay, only we are adding the one element in first case, our type 1 modification. Okay, how we will add that element means that first of all we are taking the element 1. Okay, this is the element 1. Okay, element 1 means that element is added between the reference node 0 to new bus. Okay, where 0 and the k are the 0 is the reference or the R is the reference and k is the new bus. Okay, the element 1 is added between the reference node to new node. Okay, the element is added in between reference node to new node, that is R to K. Okay, this is the step 1 procedure or the type 1 modification. Next, what is the type 2 modification? The element is added. Okay, type 2 modification, addition of element between the new bus to old bus. Okay, old bus is the K. Okay, in this diagram, the old bus is the K, that is already existing bus. Okay, then the element 2 is added in between the old bus to the reference. Sir, old bus to the new bus. Okay, new bus is the J. Okay, in this diagram, new bus is the J. Next, this is also branch. Next, what is the type 3 modification? Okay, the element is added in between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, the element is added in between the old bus to reference bus. Okay, this is the old bus and this is the reference bus. Old bus to reference bus. Next, coming to the next type 4 modification. Okay, this is the element 3. Next, coming to the type 4 modification. Okay, what is the type 4 addition?